I'm very excited about our new addition, the SW5550B. After 20 years of developing site dumpers, NC are truly excited about this product, that we have created something that can be an asset to any company around the world. This particular 5-ton, in fact all our 3 to 6 ton site dumpers are power swivel. 90 degrees to the left, 90 degrees to the right. The actual tipping angle of this product is 82 degrees to enable the material to fully vacate the bucket. This particular skip is a hard ox material, 3 times stronger than normal steel. We have reinforced 8mm sides, complete with bulge bars. When lowering our dumper, the bucket is fitted with an automatic central locking system. As you can see, as the bucket is being rotated, the lock will come into place, and there the operator knows that the skip is secure. Another feature of this machine here, high definition steps, high definition handrails, all add to the safety features of getting on and off this site dumper. We provide a toolbox for your grease gun. We provide marker lights for European road regulations and wheel chocks. Again, of strength and robustness of our product, all our lights are guarded from impact and material damage. The rear of the dumper is a 15mm thick steel. No worry about impact damage on your cooler. We have a Charmuller hitch for towing various types of trailers. Electrical output for your lights. Warning triangles, again, European road regulations. Speed decals. We have a folding ROP system. You can put the machine into a container for protection. We see here at the front of the machine, our front headlights guarded from impact damage and material. We have a forward-facing camera, high definition camera. We have a front tow recovery point. Another feature here, all our pivot pins are Nitrotech coated. This gives us ultimate longevity. The dumper runs on Coma axles. The front axle has an oil immersed braking system, and the handbrake is hydraulically applied. No in-field service required. All our tyres have a high ply rating of 16 for added protection against debris. Another feature of our dumper is we have our steering hoses guarded from falling debris from when you fill in the buckets. Historically, the dumper suffers at the center pivot point, excessive wear on the bearings over the years, and it can be a very costly repair. Here at NC, we provide a rubber cover that totally encapsulates the bearing, keeping the grease fresh for longevity. As you can see, access is very easy on the SW5550. A single bonnet, all service points freely accessible. Air filter, coolant, hydraulic oil, fuse box, all daily checks carried out within minutes. As you can see there, we have a hydraulic return filter. We have a lockable hydraulic oil cap. The fuel cap is lockable, again for protection. We don't want people stealing diesel. Fuel filters, easily accessible. We have an air filter indicator there, which it tells the operator when the air filter needs changing. Again, this Hyundai 2.4 litre engine is a tier 5 engine. Comes with a DPF. As you can see, the DPF canister here, easily accessible if it requires cleaning. Although the system is self-cleaning and automatic. Hyundai has been a fabulous partner. The engine has proven to be extremely reliable. Our dumper again comes with an IP rated 67 fuse box. And here from the driver's point of view here, we have our directional controls. We have our front-facing camera for safety. We have our hydraulically operated handbrake, and we have our joystick control on the right here to operate the bucket. Here we have an extra wide brake pedal and our fly-by-wire throttle control here for the engine. There we have our super bright instrument panel, giving you all the relevant information, fuel levels, oil temperature levels, hour counter and service lights. We have here our 1-speed and 2-speed buttons, and there we have our regeneration buttons when asked to perform a regen by the machine. Again, we have our hazard warning lights and our forward-facing camera multi-channel. You can add on various cameras, making the machine 360 degrees full coverage. This particular model is fitted with mirrors, so you have the rear view. No need for a rear camera on this particular machine. All our dumpers are sold through a network around the world. All information can be found on our website, www.nc-engineering.com. Here at NC, we do our utmost to keep lead times to a minimum. As you can see, we're not afraid to stock, but please get in contact with our distributors around the world and we can fulfill your needs very quickly.